Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Vascu Flow Clean Nutra supplement, how you can take this supplement and what is the best way to use this supplement and when you will get results. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you, when you will use this product, it will give you blood flow in your body. The brand claim, we are not claiming. And so the best procedure to use this product is you have to take 2 drops and a dropper fulls, and you can say they will provide you a dropper in this packet, and you have to fill out this dropper approx like 2 ml of the dropper, and you have to take you can take it by directly or you can mix with water, and you should take this you can say with meal, with meal you can take this for better absorption in your body. And the best the you can say the main thing you should you can say keep in your mind, that is you should you can say shake well before using this product, and you can use this product very easily. Okay, so there is no such type of you can say like there is no such type of very hard method to use this product, so you can use this product very easily. Okay, so this is the method. If we talk about the results are you will feel results in your body like approx 10 to 15 days. In between 10 to 15 days you will get good results, and this is the information. Rest depends on you. If you have any questions you can make a comment, and if you have any experience related to their result, then you can also make a comment. Your results or you can say your comment will help for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.